Hello everybody, and welcome back to Grok Trade on Thursday, May 31st of 2012. Carolina Lezon here, as usual, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. And the thing is that we are starting the new month of June tomorrow. Wow, time is flying. Can't believe it. Hope you're all ready for it. But anyways, welcome back to our Q's analysis class here again tonight, and I'm so happy to be here with you and help you with that. So hope you're all ready. So let's get going here. So let's take a look at our chart and let's see what we see happening right here at this point in time. Wow, we are back at support right here, the 61.68 mark, which we've been testing for quite some time, and we're still struggling at both moving averages right here, the 8 moving average, which is here in green, and the one above it in pink. Okay, those moving averages act as a pretty significant area of resistance. As you can see right here, back on May 29th, we closed the day a little tiny above those moving averages, but the next day, boom, we are back below them, almost still at this area of support down here, 61.68. So what we see here is nothing really exciting. Okay, that's true. That's the truth. So we are trading in a tight trading range, which I don't really like, at the bottom of that big down leg that we had here some time ago. Okay, so we're forming a low base right here. Low base, we are going sideways. We are trading inside that tight trading range right at the bottom of the drop. So with that said, let's take a look at the MACD. The MACD, as we saw here before, kept continuing higher, kept rising here on us, and kept getting closer and closer to the zero line, but it never broke through the zero line to the upside, to the other side of the trade. So what it means here is that the MACD is getting flat, which is normal. Every time we just have that little sideways motion right here on the chart, the MACD is acting kind of funny and it's just not telling us anything. It's flat. So that is what we see here happening on the chart, and same thing is happening here with the MACD. The MACD is flat at this point in time. It's not telling us anything, but the only thing that we see on the MACD here is that we are still below the zero line in a bearish territory. Okay, we never went higher. We never crossed that zero line, that magic point right here, and we are still stuck here in the bearish territory at this moment. So the MACD is flat. It's getting ready for a big move one way or the other, so pay close attention to the chart, and then also make sure the MACD is following everything that's happening right here. And then as you can see, volume, wow, kind of nice in here. Okay, we are trading on a much higher volume than before, than on May 29th and then May 25th, so we are right at the average. So that is pretty nice. And what I am looking for is spikes in volume, right? That same thing that happened in here. That's what I'm looking for. If we do ever break out of that sideways motion right here, if we do ever break above that high of May 29th, which was at 63.15, and then also through that high, 63.50, and then if we do ever close above both of them, wow, then we would have some more potential to the upside to that next area of resistance right here, 65.10. All right, so that is one scenario here. The other one would be we could drop here again to 60.67, and then we could bounce off of it, breaking through the 61.68 again, and then breaking through that high of 63.15, and then 63.50 continuing higher. And if we do ever see that drop happening right here down to 60.67, we would be talking about that little W formation right here. Okay, low drop, boom, bounce off of 60.67, little bounce here, and then boom, drop again to 60.67 and bounce again, breaking through that's 63.15 and then 63.50. But that is another scenario. If we do ever see it dropping down to 60, 67, we'll start talking about it. But now what you need to pay close attention to is that little sideways motion, that titrating range. If we do ever break through, wonderful. What we need to pay close attention to is the MACD. We need to look at the MACD to make sure it's confirming anything that we see happening on the chart, and then also volume. All right? Yeah, so that's all that I have for you for today. Hope it helps you and you enjoy those little cues analysis classes every evening. So I hope they help you somehow. And safe trading to all of you tomorrow. And I hope to see you back again then.